In this CapCut Mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to add a wave in and out text animation that gives your text a smooth, flowing movement. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that works well with wave motion. Clean, rounded, or elegant fonts usually look best because the movement feels more natural and readable. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Loop section, where you'll find animations that keep playing throughout the clip. Scroll through the list and apply the wave style animation. As soon as you apply it, you'll see the text moving in a smooth wave pattern, flowing in and out continuously. To control the speed of this wave motion, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for a faster, more energetic wave. Drag the slider to the right for a slower, calmer, and more cinematic wave. Preview the animation and adjust the duration until it perfectly matches the mood of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a wave in and out text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.